Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a look at a product we're sure you all have heard of by now. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro, a cult favorite product that has achieved true viral status in the last year. If you have ever attempted to purchase this beloved product, you likely know that it is almost always sold out. As frustrating as that can be, we get it, and we're here to help. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of dupes and fragrance matches for the beloved Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Whether you're a fan of that iconic scent, or you're craving that luxurious feel, you're in the right place. We will be exploring alternatives in each category, including some fantastic affordable options. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the star of the show. The Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, known for its creamy texture and delicious scent. This body cream features ingredients like QQQ butter, acai oil, and coconut oil to hydrate and nourish the skin.
With its fast-absorbing formula and signature fragrance of pistachio and salted caramel, the Bum Bum Cream has become a cult favorite among skincare enthusiasts.
But what if you're looking for more budget-friendly options with similar ingredients and scents? Fear not, we've got you covered with some amazing dupes and fragrance matches. First on our list is the Tree Hut Brazilian Nut Shea Body Butter, formulated with shea butter and cocoa butter. This body butter provides deep hydration and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth.
Similar to the Bum Bum Cream, the Tree Hut Body Butter offers a rich, creamy texture and nourishing ingredients to pamper your skin.
Next, we have the Copacabana Cream by Sol de Janeiro. While not an exact dupe, this cream features coconut oil and QQQ butter for intense hydration and a delicious fragrance.
With its coconutty scent and luxurious feel, the Copacabana Cream is a great alternative for those who love the Bum Bum Cream, but are looking for something a bit different.
And now for a couple of honorable mentions in this category. Let's take a look at the Natura Brasil Echoes Moisturizing Body Lotion. This body product features ingredients like QQQ butter and acai oil, which are also found in the Bum Bum Cream. It nourishes and hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling velvety soft.
There's also the Pacifica Brazilian Mango Grapefruit Body Butter. This body butter contains shea butter and mango seed butter, providing rich hydration similar to the Bum Bum Cream. It has a refreshing mango grapefruit scent. If you always wished the Bum Bum Cream had a little more of a fruity note, this pick could be your new all-time fave.
Now, what if it's that iconic, addictive scent you're on the hunt for? Let's talk about fragrance matches for the Bum Bum Cream. If you're a fan of that sweet, tropical scent, you'll love the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist.
Featuring notes of pistachio and salted caramel, this fragrance mist captures the essence of the Bum Bum Cream in a lightweight, refreshing mist. You'll want to throw this mist into your bag, so you're never without it. It's perfect for amping up your scent throughout the day. Spray this onto your clothes, body, or hair.
Another incredible option worth exploring is the Brazil Nut line from the Body Shop. With its warm, nutty scent and hints of caramel and vanilla, it's a budget-friendly alternative for those who love sweet, gourmand fragrances.
Layer these products on for a deliciously indulgent scent that will transport you to tropical paradise.
Also worth mentioning is the Kai Perfume Oil. While not an exact dupe, Kai Perfume Oil has a tropical, floral scent with notes of gardenia and exotic white flowers, reminiscent of the beachy vibe of the Bum Bum Cream. So if a warm, beachy, floral scent is your vibe, we highly recommend giving this perfume oil a try.
And finally, rounding out this list of Bum Bum Cream alternatives that are certainly worth a try, we have the Maison Louis Marie No. 04 Bois de Balincourt Perfume Oil. This perfume oil features notes of sandalwood and cedarwood, with a touch of vanilla and musk. While not identical to the Bum Bum Cream scent, It offers a warm and sensual fragrance reminiscent of exotic beaches. Make this your signature scent and you are sure to leave a lasting impression.
And there you have it, a roundup of some incredible alternatives and fragrance matches for the coveted and often out of stock Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Whether you're looking for similar skincare benefits or that signature scent, there's something for everyone and at a great price, too. For your convenience, the items we covered today will be listed and linked in the description box below the video. Let us know in the comments which product you're excited to try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay glowing.